In this video, I'm going to give you the 7 things that you need to hit 10k a month ASAP. And these are the exact same concepts that took me from being broke, working a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated, to making 10 to 20k a month consistently and living my dream life. Now, this isn't going to be a soft BS video that teaches you nothing. This is going to be a video that teaches you exactly how to hit 10k a month if you follow all of the 7 principles that I'm about to outline. Now, step number 1 is multiple income sources. Do not rely on just one income source. You want to stack as many income sources as you possibly can. Now, the reason for this is making 10k a month from just one product is pretty difficult, but if you've got 10 different income sources, suddenly 10k a month becomes a lot more realistic. And you've probably heard advice about get one product to $1 million and only then should you launch another product. Ignore that advice. For me and you, that advice is not applicable. Instead, you want to have as many income sources as humanly possible. And there are other videos on the channel where I show you how to set up multiple income sources. I mean, you can do it with anything: affiliate marketing, sponsors, just ad revenue. There's so many income sources you can have once you've got the right mindset. You'll be amazed. Now, not every income source is going to make you 5k a month, right? I don't want you to be like, oh, Atif, you know, this income source isn't making me 5k a month. You might have some income sources that make you $50 a month. So for example, I've got 92k followers on X. I get paid like $120 every 2 weeks for posting content. I don't know about you, but I'll take $120, right? I'll take $240 every single month. And in fact, I use that $240 I get every single month from X ad revenue to build an AI army of employees, which we'll talk about in a few minutes, right? You've heard the fact where it's 20% of whatever makes 80% of the results. It's the same thing with your income, right? You're gonna have 20% of your offers that make 80% of the income, but you're also gonna have the 80% that makes you the other 20%, right? It's just about having multiple income sources. And I don't know about you, be honest, the idea of multiple income sources, it probably appeals to you, right? Maybe you're working a 9-to-5 job and you've got one income source. How about having 20 income sources? I don't know about you, that's really good. And if your main product drops, you're gonna have other income sources that will cover you. So the point is, one income source is very fragile. Having multiple income sources is a fortress that you can rely on. And the best part is each income stream feeds the next one. Now, step number 2 is you want to go all in. And I hate to break it to you, but there's no easy way to make money with AI. And you've probably seen those videos where some big YouTuber is like, oh, I asked Horde AI to make me rich, and it's got $300 a day on the screen. It's just BS, right? It's just marketing, and you know that deep down. It's almost crazy, but if you want to make 10k a month, if you want to be in the top 1%, if you want to be the elite of the elite, you're going to have to put some work in, and you're going to have to go all in. So whatever business that you choose, and again, I'll talk more in a minute about what the best businesses actually are. Whatever business that you choose, you need to go all in. You need to make a decision to yourself that I'm going to make 10k a month and go all in and do that. And I'll give you an example that I did, which is very extreme, right? You do not do this at home, right? But when I was working my 9-to-5 job, I would come home and I was learning how to trade, mainly because I was shy and I just didn't want to be on camera at the time, right? So I would come home, I would spend all my evenings learning how to trade. I spent all my weekends learning how to trade. And in fact, I spent all my annual leave. I think I had 3 days of annual leave where I was actually on holiday. The rest of it I spent working, and grinding, because the reality is half-ass effort is going to get you half-ass results, right? Every single time, with no exception. 10k a month is hard, but it's possible. And to be honest, working a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life is equally as hard. So you get to choose which one is it. Do you want to put up with misery and poverty for the rest of your life, or do you want to go all in and earn 10k a month? Which really, for being honest, and again, not guaranteed, put the disclaimer up, right? If you go all in on trying to earn 10k a month and that's your burning obsession, you can probably get it done in 2 years. And I don't know about you, there can be some people like, oh, Atif, 2 years is too long. I mean, look, listen, it's up to you, right? Are you willing to put the effort in? If you are, it should take around 2 years. Now, step number 3 is reading the right books. The average person reads 1 book a year, and the average millionaire reads 1 book a week. That is not a coincidence. And when I say read the right books, I genuinely mean read the right books. You know, if you're broke, do not read the 4-hour work week. You need to be on at least 10k a month or 100k a month before you actually read the 4-hour work week. Why are you trying to outsource yourself out when you've not made any money yet, right? And again, I fell for that trap in the beginning. Again, Atomic Habits, you don't need the right habits, you need the right mindset. So the first book that you need to be reading is a book called Think and Grow Rich. This book it's the Bible of business. Anyone who's achieved anything in business, Think and Grow Rich is the #1 book. Napoleon Hill, who wrote it, he spent his whole life studying all the millionaires of his time, and he put it all into 1 book. It's made more millionaires, that book, than any other book ever written. So Think and Grow Rich, you cannot go wrong. Buy that book. And if you want a bonus book, like a book number 2, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, is an amazing book by Joseph Murphy. You also want to pick that one up too, because I'm going to be completely honest with you, hitting 10k a month had nothing to do with the technical knowledge. It's everything to do with what's going on in your subconscious mind. And number 4 is an accountability partner, right? You want someone that you respect. It could be anyone. It could even be your wife or your kids, or that's a bit strange, right? But it could be your best friend or whatever. You want someone who's also on the path towards 10k a month. And let me make this very clear, that doesn't mean that you two should start a business together unless you want to, but if you have another friend or someone that you know who's also on the path towards 10k a month, it makes makes it so much better because the reality is iron sharpens iron. And I'll give you a good story. My best friend, we've been best friends since school. He works at Goldman Sachs and I've got my own business, right? This guy always pushes me, whether, when we were at school, every exam, this guy was on my ass telling me, hey, look, how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? And it's annoying, but it will bring the absolute best out of you. When you see someone who's just like you, who's also moving up in life, it literally brings the best out of you, right? It brings the absolute best out of you. And more importantly, it makes you think, oh crap, if this guy who I know, if he can do it, or if he's on the path, I can do it too. And that belief, that subconscious belief that you can do it, that is everything. That is absolutely everything. Now, the most important thing when it comes to making 10K a month is picking the right business. And this is what no one's going to tell you. There's no perfect business, right? Every single person, every single human is different. I would not recommend, I started off in trading, by the way. I would not recommend trading to everyone, right? Because every single person is different. So I made a completely free PDF in the pinned comment down below where it goes over the 7 best businesses to hit 10K a month right now with every personality type. So go check it out in the pinned comment. Now, number 5, and this is a important but quick one, and it is go where the money is. So for example, blogging is dead. It's a dead industry. It's almost like newspapers were like 10 years ago. It's a dead industry. Do not start a blog. Whereas now, like as of recording this, AI is like the biggest boom that there is. So AI businesses is completely wide open right now. That is where the big opportunity is. And that isn't to say you can't make money with the others. Of course you can. So in that PDF, I explain this in a huge amount of detail in the PDF, but there are lots of evergreen businesses that you can always start. So for example, drop shipping, trading, investing, these are going to be around in 100 years time, right? These are evergreen. It's not a booming industry, but it's not dead. It's just an industry that you can start. But AI is taking over the world, as we know. So this is where things get really interesting. So with every other business model, so trading, dropshipping, there is a clear path towards 10K a month. Now it's not easy. It's not easy. It requires a lot of work, but there is a clear path to getting towards 10K a month. With AI businesses, there is no path, and the reason why is because it's happening right now. So it's not for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to work hard and move fast, like move very quickly, you can make a lot of money. Like 10K a month, you could hit 100K a month, a million a month. And I know these numbers sound insane, but when you're in a booming industry, it takes a few guys to get to the top, and then once you get to the top, everyone can see, oh, that's what he did, and that's when it becomes difficult for everyone else. So if you like AI and you're willing to work hard and move fast, like AI businesses are absolutely amazing. And something which is really important, and Alex Mosey says this in his book, which is you can be an A-level player in a C-level opportunity, and if you are, you're only going to get C-level results. And similarly, even things like trading, and this took me years to realize, trading is really a B-level opportunity, and the reason why is it's a skill, right? You can't build a business and sell it, which, to be honest, if you want the A-level opportunity, it's building a business and selling it, right? And these, this might sound odd if this is years away. I just want to get to 10K a month, but I want to help you out, right? I want to help you out. I want to make sure you're in the right vehicle, not in the wrong vehicle. Now, the 6th thing that you need is you need to start now. Now, there is a basic law, which is action creates a reaction. If you do nothing, nothing will happen. But if you do something, something will happen, right? And that something might not be what you want, but it gives you feedback and you can keep iterating and improving as you go. When you read the PDF and you've decided, okay, Atif, I want to start an AI business, what you need to do is start right now and just figure it out as you go, because the reality is you're going to attract what you need as you move forward. So just have faith and have trust and just work hard and have a crystal clear vision or target point of where you want to go, which for this video is pretty simple. You want to make 10K a month in whatever business that it is. Never wait for the perfect conditions, because those perfect conditions are never coming. Now, the 7th thing that you need to hit 10K a month ASAP is you want to use AI as leverage regardless of the business that you're in, because AI, like I said, is changing every industry, including trading and dropshipping, all these industries. And if you're not using AI in the business that you're in, you're going to be left behind. Let me give you an example, right? I spent $250 and I've got an army of AI employees that work for me day and night, which is absolutely insane. And it gives me the output of 10 humans with no salaries, no management, no sick days, nothing. Just $250 a month, and I've got an army of AI employees working for me day and night, which would have cost probably 25 grand a month 10 years ago, which is insane. Now, I use this using ChatGPT. Again, I've got a guy who helps me out with it, but really what I did is I have one AI CEO that I speak to directly, and under that AI CEO is a bunch of other ChatGPTs that are specialized, and they're all integrated together. I know you can do the exact same thing with Claude 2 or whatever AI software you do. It really does not matter. Just get an army of AI employees working for you. Similarly with trading and investing, you can get AI to analyze everything in just a second, right? 2 seconds. Now, one thing which is really important, I want you to pay attention to this, which is don't outsource your thinking to AI. Right? Don't ask Claude, hey, how can I get rich? Right? That's a complete waste of time. Instead, let's say you're in dropshipping, ask what are the 10 best opportunities that nobody's watching watching in ecom in 2026, right? That is a much better question to ask, because a lot of people, they just outsource their thinking towards AI, because what you want to do is you want to let AI do the research, do the donkey work, and you do the thinking. You're the visionary and AI is the tool. And this is probably the biggest thing that I'm going to say in this whole video is it's possible to earn 10k a month. I was just like you watching these videos thinking, man, is it even possible to hit 10k a month? That's so much money. And then you hit 10k a month. And I know it's going to sound ungrateful, but the moment you hit 10k a month, you're going to want 100k a month. And that's just ambition, right? But 10k a month, and I'm telling you this as a real human being, right? There's no fancy studio. I'm telling you it's one-on-one. 10k a month is possible. It's not, you know, easy or on a plate, but it's possible, right? If you're willing to put in the work, willing to put in the mental work too, you can hit 10k a month. And like I said, it's very realistic to do this within 2 years of hard work. Now, PDF is in the pinned comment down below. Read the full PDF, read every business opportunity, and then you decide which one's best for you. And make sure you watch this video on screen now, where I show you how you can make 10k a month while working at your 9-to-5 job, because the reality is a 9-to-5 job, I know you don't like it, but it is a lifeline that you need. So go check out that video on screen now.